So, how to ask me questions on the Ornatrix forum? First, you must create an account and log in with it. Then, select the desired version of Ornatrix in the Products tab, e.g. Ornatrix Maya. Next, go to the Forums tab. Next, go to the General Discussion tab. After that, click the Start New Thread button, but first search for a question that may have already been asked by someone else. If you can't find the right question, click the button to create a new topic. Write the short title of the question in the title field, the full question in the message field, and don't forget the tags field. Use this button to upload any files, such as question videos or file sends. Then, click the Create button. Your topic will appear here. Click on it and share the link in the comments below this video or in my Telegram channel. Then I will continue to answer that question. That's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. I look forward to your questions and wish you a good day.